So we're going to start another section of the channel here, and this is just going to be a project. So this is a 1978 Chevy Nova. It's the 4-door. It's got the 250, which is I believe the 4.2, 4.1, and it's an automatic. And this is something that I've just picked up so cheap. We plan to do some work on it, clean it up. We'll see how in-depth we get into modifying or altering it in any way. Right now it's just completely stock. There's not anything aftermarket on it. This is actually the original paint job as well. You know, this one has the you fill the gas cap behind the license plate. Original taillights. It's got the original badges. Actually, the Chevy badge from the trunk is up on the dash because it fell off. It's got some dents and dings, missing marker lamp. There's a issue with the transmission at the moment. There's a dent in the door back here. This side actually knocked off the door trim. I'm not sure if that's aftermarket or if that came stock, but that'll end up getting pulled off, and we'll take all the rubber off. And there's lots of directions we can go with this. We can just clean it up and leave it patina and not change anything with it, or get a little bit into maybe some body work, maybe getting it to the point where it can be repainted. Probably either, I don't think we'll end up doing the body work on the door. We'll probably either skin it or replace the door. So, you know, I know there's a lot of people on here that are going to say, you know, well, this year is not the year that you'd want, and this year is not, you know, you don't want the 4-door, you know, you'd want the bigger 350 V8. So I understand all those things, but when you're working on a budget and you just want to have a little project you can work on with the family, then this is something easy to start with. The interior will need work. It's got the original red interior. The back seat's almost hardly been used. The front driver's seat has been used the most. The passenger seat's been used a little bit, so the carpet and all that stuff will have to get cleaned up. And you know, it's pretty typical for a project, but I think what we're going to do is just make this into just kind of a little fun project, and I'll just keep posting as we go and add some video. We have not done a thing to this. All we did was went and picked it up with the truck yesterday. It was about 2 hours away. Bought the car as is with the clean clear title for $600. So we don't have much into it, and I'm hoping that we can minimize cost but maximize the fun and opportunity to do something together. You know, the kids are all excited, everybody wants to work on it, so we're just gonna try to pay attention to what we're gonna spend money on and what we're doing in the project. So we're just gonna get on some cleanup for now. We're just gonna clean the interior real well, just get all the extra parts and stuff that's been saved in the trunk, and then we're gonna probably vacuum out the inside and just wipe the inside down and clean the windows, and then do the exterior. We might do the exterior first, then do the interior, but it's kind of the nice thing about it. We just have open time. We can just work on it when we want, and so that's the plan for now. Thanks for watching, and like I said, just keep an eye out. I'm going to make this a separate playlist, and this will be the Nova project. Thanks for taking the time to watch. Please subscribe. The subscription is the most important thing I need on my website, on my YouTube channel right now. So if you want, please just subscribe to the channel, and that'll help me out get my subscriber count up. My views are up, my hours for watch time are up, but I need to get my subscriber count up. So if you could help with that, I'd really appreciate it. Thank you very much. If you have any comments about this particular type of project, please keep it peaceful. I know this isn't what everybody wants, and everybody has a million other better ideas than this, so that's not the point of this. we're just doing something together as a family just for fun to get started doing a little project. So please keep the comments cordial. I'd appreciate it. Thank you very much.